I want to say limited edition, but I'm pretty sure it's just a special edition of the SecretLab gaming chair. I think it's the Titan. Pretty sure it's the Titan. Special blah 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 something something. The Joker. Let's start this shit up, shall we? Okay. Look, just to make sure that you understand the size of this thing, okay? It's huge. You know, it's the all the wheels and stuff, and the screws. Okay. Woo! All right, we're just gonna put this on top of this real quick. Thank you very much. God. How about we just do this, huh? How about that? That's step one. And I gotta put those wheels in there, basically, because that's what it says on the picture. First things first. We now put it like this. So you got this thing, which is just the shell. And I'm assuming that this is the hull specific about this. I guess it fits, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Whew. Plastic bags can be hazardous. Keep bag away from babies, children, and pets. Yes. It even has a little card on it that you combine this part with this part to fuse into a hex key. Alright. Now. Now, slide the backrest bracket on the right side down into the right recline bracket until it stops. Insert the M8 screws previously removed from the backrest only halfway. Alright, so you want me to use this. And then just, I don't know. Remove the plastic, obviously. You people really... I mean, I get it. I mean, by all means, I appreciate the fact that you're protecting it, but... very tedious to remove, you know? Alright. Okay, I got them halfway through now. Better be this way it's supposed to be. Oh man, I'm sweating. Okay, that was part 5. Well, okay, if you say so. I guess I will in fact remove the red screw completely. Assuming that's like well, would you look at the damn son? Alright, cool. Lift the chair and gently set it facing downwards. Well, that sounds about right. Alright. I'm assuming you mean this thing. Also, do not touch the mechanism when tilting. I wouldn't even see how that's even possible, but okay. fairly confident that this will not kill me now. Yeah, I just shove it in there. You sure about that? If you say so. So, pretty sure I can't shove it in any more than that. Just making sure that this is hella smooth. Okay, just yeah, double checking. Oh damn, this is life. I can see why you could game in this chair so much better than usual. I really don't know if this is supposed to be for my back or my neck, but man, am I using it for my neck. Oh, it almost hurts my back to be like corrected so much. But that just goes to show how fucked up I've been sitting. Stupid wheelchair. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, this is so much better. Alright, so just because I'm a lazy dick. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. It's the other one, isn't it? Oh yes, this. This is my entire life. Now, oh yes. I could just sit like this. Woo! Man, am I ever a fat bastard, but I don't care. Oh dude, I'm gonna actually get. Oh, I might just take a nap right here. So yeah, SecretLab. Good job. Good job. My back thanks you. But more, it thanks myself because I paid for it. Oh man, I'm so gonna take a nap. Oh yes.